Good morning. I'm heading to church to get everything ready. I woke up probably 2 minutes before my alarm, turned the alarm off so I didn't have to listen to that, and because I was thinking, okay, what do I have to do today? I couldn't sleep anymore. I'm pretty excited. The only downfall to choir season starting is that because our choir sings from the balcony, I will be running back and forth a little bit. And we have communion today, so I have to go up to the choir loft. Wait, I might go up to the choir loft and stay up. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at the bulletin again and see what my my blocking will be for today. What am I gonna be doing? Where am I gonna be running? We just had a hot date. Oh, what are you doing?
You gotta put it in the bag.
Oh. We went to get some not iced coffee. We got frozen coffee drinks. And I'm finished with mine. Horatio got a brain freeze, so he's drinking his much more slowly.
I don't want
They sell saunas at Costco. Since I had a frozen drink, I'm cold, and so it feels really good in here.
Only $1,800.
Only $1,800. He loves the vacuum. You love the vacuum cleaner, don't you? Yes. All of the Costco groceries have been unloaded. And now I'm heading to the gym. I need to get a little workout in. Right at the end of the day, right when it's closing. Because I've gotten exercise, but I haven't done weights enough. I need to do more of that. All right, I am trying to catch the sunset with Ethan. He took off on his bike. My bike is locked up in the shed, so I'm probably not gonna make it in time. The sun is setting. Clouds are very pretty. I did make it here. I made it, but I'm sure it's not gonna show up too well. There's Ethan. There's the sunset. It's actually pretty. We are taking a walk. There is a dog that is doing his job and defending his property over there. But the moon is huge. Camera doesn't do it justice. Okay, I have to show you another little Jesus moment. Look at this.
Who put him in there?
Did Ethan put him in there? Or did you?
It was you. You put him in there? Was it you or was it Ethan?
It was Ethan.
Huh?
It was Ethan.
Final clip.
Final clip.
He's falling asleep. It's kind of late. So, today was a great day. And tomorrow is Monday. We have roofers coming to put on our new roof. So we need to get some sleep. So until tomorrow.